Dear students, in the last class we discussed about some problems on AAA criterion theorem and somewhat SSS criterion theorem and as well as SAS criterion theorem. We shall discuss some more problems on exercise 2.3. Is it? Before that, we shall take a small prayer. Class attention, 1 minute personal prayer. Break. Yes, Nidana Kantariri. Makla, let us take, open your textbook. The problem number, exercise 2.3. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಿಗರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಿಗರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಿಗರ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಿಗರ್, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ODC ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ OBA. Triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. OBA, this is O, DC, OBA. These two triangles are similar. They are equiangular. Yes. Find angle DOC. You require to find out angle DOC and then angle DCO. DCO. This angle. And angle OAB. What they have given that angle BOC is 125 degree. BOC is 125, angle ODC is 70 degree. Is it? So now take, what is the solution? I won't write the problem, I will write the solution. New problem barkondu solution baribeku. What is the solution? Given, what is that given? Triangle ODC similar to, what is that? OBA. Triangle ODC similar to triangle ODA. Is it? Triangle ODC similar to triangle ODA, and then they have given that angle BOC is equal to 125 degree. Angle ODC is equal to 70 degree. What you require to find out? You require to find out angle DCO or OCD. Is it right? Angle DCO is what? And then angle DCO is what? And then angle OAB is what? And one more is angle DOC. Yes, angle DOC is what? It is given, you require to find it. It is to find, it is to be find angle DCO. Now come to this, these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, angle D equals angle B, this is 70. Then what about that? You come to this one, this is 125. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 125 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you see like this, it will become a straight angle. This will be straight angle. If it is 125, what is this angle? ಯಾವುದು? Angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180. Is it right? Linear pair. They are linear pair. COB is here. You apply 125. Angle DOC plus 125 equals 180. Transfer 125 to right hand side. Angle DOC equals 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125 how much? How that? 50? 5 degree. Angle DOC is 55 degree. Next, this is 55. Now take in triangle DOC. In triangle DOC. In triangle DOC, what about DCO? DCO is sum of these three is 180. Angle DCO is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles. So angle DCO is equal to 180 minus angle ODC plus angle ODC plus angle DOC. So this is 180 minus angle ODC. Angle ODC ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ODC is 70 plus angle DOC. Angle DOC is 55. So this is 180 minus 70 plus 55. ನೋಡಿ ಹೌದಾ? 180 minus 125. Again it is 55 degree. ಯಾವುದು? Angle DCO is also equal to 55 degree. DOC 55, DCO 55 ಆಯಿತು. DCO is 55. Then what is angle OAB? Angle OAB is equal to angle DCO because these two are similar. Triangle ODC similar to this is OBA. ODC is equal to OBA. These two angles are similar, but triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So therefore, angle C is equal to angle A. What is angle C? Angle C is 55. This is 55 degree. This is how we can solve the problem by using the AAA criterion theorem. ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬರೀ ಆ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. Consider the second problem. What is the second problem? Sorry, third problem. Third problem. What is that? ABCD is a trapezium. Go through that. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now you require to draw a trapezium. Draw a trapezium. In a trapezium, a pair of opposite sides are parallel. A pair of opposite sides are parallel. Now what is that? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC, where the diagonals intersect with each other. Figure ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು figure. By analyzing the problem, draw the figure. By analyzing the problem, draw the figure like this. By analyzing the problem, draw the figure. They intersect at the point O. Is it? By AO, we have to prove that AO by OC is equal to OB by OD ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ABCD is a trapezium. ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಗರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ABCD is a trapezium where AB parallel to DC. Now the diagonals AC and DB intersect at the point O. You require to prove that AO by OC is equal to DO by OB. Now consider these two triangles and show that they are equiangular and show that they are similar, take the proportionality of the sides, you will get the answer. Right solution. What is the solution? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. What is that? ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals intersecting at O. Intersecting at O. Diagonals intersecting at O. You are required to prove that AO by OC is equal to DO by OB. Consider the two triangles. In triangles DOC. In triangles DOC and in triangles DOC and BOA. In triangles DOC and BOA. Go through this. DC is parallel to AB. When DC is parallel to AB, you will get alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. Is it right? Angle ODC is equal to angle OBA, alternate angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, again alternate angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. Hence, the three angles of one triangle are equal to the three angles of the other. Hence, they are equiangular. Hence, they are similar. So, when they are similar, sides are proportional. Write the proportionality of the sides. You will get the answer. So, what is that? Angle in triangles DOC. Angle ODC is equal to angle OBA. Angle ODC is equal to angle OBA. Angle OCD is equal to angle OAB. Alternate angles. They are alternate angles. Angle DOC is equal to angle DOC is equal to angle AOB. Vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle DOC is similar to triangle BOA according to AAA criterion theorem. Angles of one triangle are equal to the angles of the other. Hence, they are similar. Now, take the proportionality of the sides. Hey, proportionality of the sides to the DO by BO is equal to DC by BA is equal to OC by OA. OC by OA. We want last two, consider the last two. So when you consider the last two, it consider DO by BO is equal to OC by OA. Take the reciprocal. Reciprocal का मेरे को होता है BO by DO is equal to OA by OC or OA by OC is equal to BO by DO. This is BO by DO. This is the concept. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ OA by OC is equal to OB by OD ಇದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. BO by DO is equal to OA by OC ಇದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. This is how with respect to trapezium we solve the problem. ಇದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅದನ್ನ. You solve that one in AAA criterion theorem. Is it right? Now let us take the next problem. Let's take the next problem, the problem. Why I have not taken fourth problem? Fourth problem is based on SAS concept. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಣ. Now what? Fifth problem is, it's just the figure is not given to that problem. You require to write the figure. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equals angle RTS. Show that angle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. You require to draw a figure. What is that figure? Now that is in triangle PQR. Consider a triangle PQR. Take a triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, so what? S and T are the points on the side PR and QR. S, PR, original point here. S and T are the points on the sides PR and QR. S and T. Is it joint ST? So now what? They have given that angle P equals angle RTS. This is given. You require to show that triangle PRQ is similar to triangle ABC. Sorry, triangle PRQ is similar to triangle RTS. Triangle PRQ is similar to triangle RTS. ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ? Can you prove it? In the figure, it is given that angle QPR. Can put it ನೋಡಿ, angle P, that is angle QPR is equal to angle RTS. Is it right? RTS. Now take in triangles RTS, these two angles are known. Now take these two triangles. What is that? Triangle RPQ and RPQ. You see that is RPQ and RTS. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. What is that? Angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS. It is given. Next, angle R equals angle R. Common. It is angle R equals angle R common. Now, this is third pair. It is equal. Angle RQP. Angle RQP is equal to angle RST. It is third pair. When it is third pair, therefore triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS according to AAA criterion theorem. According to AAA criterion theorem. So the three angles of one triangle are equal to three angles of the other. So this is the way how we can solve the problem by using AAA criterion theorem. We shall take up some more problems in the next class. Thank you.